Looks like we're on number 4. Number 4, we're given a circumference of 66.6 meters. Horrible number, but it's randomly generated. And then we have find the circle's area. So what we're given is the circumference, which is equal to 2 pi r. Our goal, this is what we're given. We're given that information right there. Our goal is to flip this and then put it into a is equal to pi r squared. So one thing I noticed between these two formulas, they both share something in common, because our goal is to get the area, but the one thing that they share is an r. So the goal is to isolate r so we can plug it into the area formula. So I'm going to plug in the 66.6 meters into here, and then I'm going to try to isolate r. So we get 66.6 meters equals 2 pi r. And if I do the inverse operations, we don't have any addition, subtraction, so we're now on multiplication, division. We have multiplication, 2 times pi times r. The inverse of multiplication is division. So 66.6 meters equals, right here, just rewriting it so you could see it better. So we're going to divide both sides by 2 pi. That cancels, so that means we get r by itself. So here, I'm going to rewrite it. R is equal to 66.6 meters divided by 2 pi. If you're using the scientific calculator that I showed you, or that we use for the EOC, you can do it this way. So on the calculator, ooh, that is horrible. Maybe right there is good. Yeah. So all you would do in the Launchpad scientific calculator is 66.6 divided by 2 times 3.14159, and then you just press enter and you get 10.59. Well, let's just round it up to 10.6 for our radius. Okay, so we have 10.6. So we did all that work and we got here. So 10.6, we round to the nearest tenth, 5 went up. So now we're going to plug this r into here. So we get a is equal to pi times 10.6. What did we use? Meters? Yeah, meters squared. And then here, if you're using the scientific calculator, you can just do the 10.6 squared, oops, and then you can just times it by the 3.14159, and you get an area here of 352.98. Ooh, if it rounds into the nearest tenth, which it does say in the instructions, I just didn't write it here, that's a 9. And if we're using our rounding rules, that does fall within 0 to 4, 5 to 9. That means it's within the 5 to 9, so we're going to round it up. Well, there's nothing after 9, so we have to actually round it up over here. So your final answer in actuality is 353.0 meters squared. So we found the area. That was the goal. We're good to go. All right?